Oh, ship. It's cruise day. How do you like that t-shirt?
It's cruise day.
It's
and
cruise
we got
day.
you.
And we got you. We like the t-shirts. If you like the t-shirt, we're going to put them in the description now. We have a shop. No pressures. They're just there. So we're about to be on our way. We're going to get on Virgin Voyages today.
Scarlet Lady.
Third time's a charm, hopefully. Yeah, let's do it. We still got to pack. We're not even done yet packing yet. It's 7:30. We got to pack.
We're done.
We're not done yet.
We're just going through the checklist. It's all packed.
All right, let's get the fun started.
Woohoo.
Let's get packed. Let's get loaded up and drive to Miami.
Yay. We're here.
We made it. As you can see, did y'all see that terminal? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, it took us about 4 hours driving. We stopped a couple places. Now we're in the terminal. $22 per day.
Wow.
Terminal B. What a ripoff. But anyways,
There we go.
if you park in the terminal, they're going to hit you extra day. We're here today, so they'll charge us today and until Sunday. So, I think 5 days. Anyways, let's go get on the ship. Let's see what it's like.
Let's see.
Scarlet Lady. Let's do it. So we got deep blue extras, and we're passing by all of these people. So, awesome. So it pays to match your status. Pretty cool terminal. Terminal V. How about that? We need that in our room. Okay, we got into the parking lot at 1:05. It's currently 1:30.
So easy.
And I think we're about to go get on the ship because we got deep blue extras. So let's see if we're going on the ship.
Yep.
Looks like we're getting on the ship. Let's see where we gotta go. Another escalator. Okay, it looks like we just made it to the red room. And that's all we did. But super easy. I think they're not letting us on until like 2 or something like that. But we're in here. We're gonna enjoy this terminal full of all the red and everything. It's pretty easy so far. All right, we're getting on the ship. We're boarding at 2 o'clock, so it took us all of 45 minutes. Not too bad. Let's get our first steps on the Virgin ship. Okay, it's time to get this party started. There we go, first steps. Whoop, whoop.
Welcome, welcome.
We're on the ship. Now we gotta book some shows and book some food. Let's do this real fast. All right, look at this, guys. We'll have to come back and get our picture for this. That's pretty neat. So when you get on the ship, just remember, book your brunches and stuff, and book your shows and all that good stuff, because it sells pretty. I mean, it fills up pretty quickly. So just make sure you do that when you get on the ship. Connect to the Wi-Fi. You can't do it till you connect to the Wi-Fi. All right. Well, we thought we had to come to Test Kitchen for muster. It's not quite ready, but check this out. This is kind of like It's an exotic meal. It's included. And they do, I believe, 7 dishes or something like that. And it's just weird food. We are not doing this trip. So, it's a very chill vibe in here. Holds lots of people. They have a bar and all that good stuff in here. And then they have a periodic table of ingredients. Check this out. Ooh, it's got banding. Whoa, that's crazy. I've never seen that before on a GoPro, but yeah, that's test kitchen. But like I said, we're not doing test kitchen because we don't think we'll like the food. So the ice cream is called Lick Me Till I Scream. So we're gonna get some ice cream and we're gonna get one of these flavored cones they have. So.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything.
Alright, here you go. It's strawberry and key lime.
See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me.
Well, we're walking outside. We're on deck 7. It's just lifeboats and all that fun stuff. The ice cream,
Good?
it's really good. What'd you think?
It was good. I had key lime pie. Yummy.
I don't think they had the flavored cones. It seemed like all they had was the regular cone. So we'll see how that works out in the future. It won't be the last time we got that. Okay, on my continued dessert rage here. Scarlet Lady Tropical Cheesecake. Let's try Scarlet Lady first. That's really good. It's got like a chocolate base, some kind of cream in the middle. The red's like chocolate. That's really good. So let's try the cheesecake. I'm not gonna like the cheesecake. It's not good. It's like gelatinous. It's not cheesecake. So it's more like, I don't know. It's gelatinous. I don't like it. So that's the hot tubs right there. You got 2 small ones and 1 huge one with a bar at the bottom. And then you come out here. There's the swimming pool everybody talks about. Limited. I don't want to invade privacy. It's not a huge pool, but it does the trick. Alright, here's a cool feature about the ship. On sea days, you can see the ocean. Right now, you can see the parking garage. But you can't wear shoes, though. I don't have on shoes, so... Alright, well here's Miami. Out here in the flesh. That's the channel we're going to go down right there. That's where all the cruise ships usually are. But we're the only ship here today, so there's no ships here but us. Kind of weird. We've never been here when we're the only ship. We're standing up on the perch. In the morning times, they do yoga here and all that good stuff. And for you daring people, this deck is clothing optional.
No, it's not.
See what happens when you don't let Amanda talk? She tells me all this stuff and then I forget. It's just a topless deck.
Supposedly.
Supposedly.
We don't know.
We don't know. We ain't got to find out. But deck 18, the perch for all you adventurers. That's not us. We won't be up here, but anyways. Bit of info we read on the internet. We don't know if it's true or not, but if you know, comment below for all the people that's interested. So let's continue exploring. And the smokestacks. Pretty cool. Okay, mustard's done. So the way that Virgin does mustard, you have to watch the video in your room, mark it on the tablet, and then you have to come check in at your mustard station, and they do show you how to put it on. It took 2 minutes. So we're on deck 6. We figured we'd walk around. Look what we found. Squid Ink is the tattoo parlor on this ship. How cool is that? Ink at sea. Alright, it's sail away time. This is a little bit different, but they give you free champagne.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. And it's a party. Where do you think we're turning?
The front that way?
Sail the Virgin way.
Maybe.
Look at the.
Oh, that's why he couldn't do it. He couldn't just turn out of there. It would have like cut half the ship off.
This sail away party is like bomb.com. The bomb.com so far. It's not like cha-cha slide, keep it shuffle, but it's still really fun.
Yeah, lots of fun. The people on the ship, they're lots of fun to talk to.
We're gonna try to get that secret invitation.
Lots of fun. Sail away from Miami. The best port to sail away.
They won't be able to hear anything you say because I cut the volume.
That's okay. He'll voice over it. You can use that sound.
All right, finally some quiet time where y'all can enjoy the sail away from Miami. Okay, we're about to go to Pink Agave, the Mexican place. Let's see what we can find out. Take a small plane. Bam, Pink Agave.
Thank you.
We literally got it all. Okay, so after ordering all the small plates and all the medium plates, here's our entrees. I got the pork. Amanda got the ribeye. They look good. They smell good. We'll tell you how they taste afterwards. So far, this place is really, really good. Definitely a must if you're on Virgin. Pink Agave is a must. Okay, this is dessert. Chocolate tacos. Passion fruit tart. I don't know where there's room for this, but let's try it. Okay, let's talk about that meal at Pink Agave. Yeah, my whole outlook of Mexican, man, it's changed. I've been robbed my whole life. Okay? What did you think?
Carnival robbed us.
That competes with the best meal I've had on a cruise ship other than
Which one to watch?
other than Gigi's on Carnival, so it's delicious.
So everyone shake your pockets.
It's risky business. It's pretty crazy.
All right. Okay.
Chaotic trivia. It's pretty crazy.
Oh yeah, one more barnacle.
This quiz is rigged. Rigged. Look at our barnacles.
Question 4.
Getting there.
Software development. Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. That allergies here are terrible. All right.
This is a crazy game. All right, so the quiz business thing was pretty funny. Now we're about to go to the Red Room. We're gonna watch the unnamed musical dance party, whatever, and see what that's all about. So let's have some.
This is a fucking vacation.
How about this for the wait? All the looking blue. How cool is that? Scarlet's all lit up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This is a cool hallway.
How long it takes for me to get a beauty rest to look this gorgeous? A long time.
This is the manor. They moved the pajama party inside and it's way too packed. So we're gonna pass on that. It's raining, storming, no cookies, boo-hoo.
It's not raining anymore.
So yeah,
It rained.
pajama party is no longer. Now it's just a nightclub thrashing in there. So on to the next thing. We're so tired, folks. As I was saying, the pajama party, it was moved inside. It come a storm and the deck is wet. It's lightning outside. So they moved it inside to the manor.
Little bitty room.
It's a little bitty room and there's tons of people in there. It's super loud. We just went to like a rave party with the dance show, so we're gonna pass on that. We're not gonna call it a night though. We're gonna have a nightcap and we're gonna sit outside if the balcony's not too wet
Yep.
and enjoy the water for a little while. But we're gonna end tonight's vlog here. Day 1 on Scarlet Lady in the books.
Been fun?
And it's been a good day.
Yeah.
Pink agave,
Delicious.
delicious.
Yep.
And the entertainment, it's just different. But it's okay. So anyways, probably already seen it. We won't go into details about it. Just see you tomorrow in Key West.
Bye.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.